Very happy morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Ramcharan Tej and I am from Grade-VIII Topaz. Today is Tuesday, 4th March 2025. Morning prayer. Let us sing Vande Mataram. Of the day. Good thought is something that we can apply in our daily life to renew ourselves in better way. Now may I invite Shaili sister to share her thought with us.
Happy morning, everyone. Happy morning, everyone. Today's thought of the day is brought to you by Shaili of Grade-VIII Topaz. Thought: opportunities does not happen, you need to create them. I repeat it again. Opportunities does not happen, you need to create them. Thank you.
Sastra sister to present state and sport news.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Sahasra from Grade-VIII Topaz. State news: Telangana tunnel collapse. SCR team cuts through TBM's collapse platform, accelerating debris removal. Sports news: Bench Rishabh Pant's role in Champions Trophy is revealed by Rohit Sharma. Got a batter sitting in the dugout. Thank you.
Time for the news. We should update ourselves with latest news to find our place in contemporary world. So let me invite Satvik to present before us the international and national news.
Happy morning, everyone. I am Satvik. Today, international and national news is brought to you by Satvik of Grade-VIII Topaz. International news: a person death after driver's ram's car into the crowd in Western Germany. National news: Indian woman death on Abu Dhabi executed. Delhi High Court told. Thank you.
Pledge. Pledge is a testament to our commitment and values. It binds us community, reminding us of duties and responsibilities. Let us stand united in our voice and spirit as we recite the pledge. Now, may I invite Kirtana sister for a pledge.
Kirtana commands to pledge. Yes, my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
It was a wonderful speech by Vishnu. Now let's have speech on science. May I invite Karthik Kumar to deliver his speech.
Happy morning. Happy morning, everyone. I am K. Karthik of Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am going to give information about Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner was the English physician and scientist. He was born on 17th May 1749 in England. He created the world's successful vaccine. Smallpox was a very dangerous disease. During his time, smallpox killed many people. He found out that people infected with cowpox were immune to smallpox. He experimented in 1796 that a boy inoculated with the cowpox and then imposed him to cowpox which did not affect him. By this, he introduced the concept of vaccine and created the smallpox vaccine. Even today, Edward Jenner remembered as the one of the great scientists in history. Thank you.
Let's have a speech on mathematics. Let me invite Vishnu to deliver his speech.
Happy morning to everyone. I am Vishnu of Grade-VIII Topaz. Happy morning to everyone. I am Vishnu of Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am here to give a speech on geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with shapes, size, and figures. Everyone thinks that geometry is very complicated, but it is all around us. It shows the relationship between shapes and the measurements of the shapes. It is a tool which is used to measure things, and we can see in our daily life like triangle, rectangle, square. These all are having a set of rules and properties. Geometry is also used to construct buildings and bricks. It is used in navigation and arts. By this, I would like to conclude that geometry is not only used for solving problems, but it is also used to make our world more organized and beautiful. Thank you.
General knowledge. Having always tough competition will no matter how make us stronger and better. Let us scratch our brains to answer the GK questions. Let us invite Binanda to have GK questions.
Happy morning to everyone. This is Binanda Kishore of Grade-VIII Topaz, brought to you by GK questions. Question for grade 6. Which cricketer holds the record of most sixes in international cricket? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the right answer is Chris Gale. Question for grade 7. What is Virat Kohli's highest score in uh, test cricket? I repeat it again. What is Virat Kohli's highest individual score in test cricket? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the right answer is 235. Question for grade 8. In which year did Virat Kohli win Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? I repeat it again. In which year did Virat Kohli win the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the right answer is 2018. Question for grade 10. How many wickets does Bhuvi have in IPL? I repeat it again. In which year, how many wickets does Bhuvaneshwar Kumar have? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the right answer is 181 wickets. Open questions. What record did Virat Kohli break?
51 ODI centuries in cricket.
Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. Fastest batsman to score 4,000 runs in ODI. How many sixes did Rohit Sharma have in his career? I repeat it again. How many sixes does Rohit Sharma have in his career? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the right answer is 624. Thank you.
Let us make our English easy and charming by the daily new word. It makes us understanding our surroundings and helps us to explain our emotions and thoughts. Could I call upon Srijanya's sister to have new word of the day?
Happy morning, everyone. Today, new word is brought to you by Srijanya from Grade-VIII. New word: opportunity. Meaning: favorable situation or a chance to do what you want to do. I repeat it again: favorable situation or a chance to do what you want to do. Friends, please spell after me: opportunity. OPP ORTUNITY. Opportunity. Thank you.
Karthik Kumar. Now, success doesn't come by itself. It needs motivational and inspiration. Let me invite Wilson for a motivational speech.
A very happy morning, everyone. A very happy morning, everyone. Today, motivational speech is brought to you by Wilson of Grade-VIII Topaz. There was a boy in New York. He was born in 1966. There would be a fight between his mother and father, and he would be disturbed every day. He is a small kid. He don't have peace in his life. One day, the father will leave his home and go somewhere. There is only mother in his home. If boy goes to play with his friends, by playing he used to fight with his friends. He used to keep a pigeon with him. One day, one of his friends threw a stone on a pigeon. He got angry and he beat the boy. The police came and arrested him. In the age of 13, maximally, he arrested 38 times. One day, while he is beating his friend, a person will see. He is boxing trainer of the New York area, and he will speak to his mother, and mother will say okay, and he will teach him how to do boxing, and he will struggle, he will do hard work. Finally, he will be qualified for Junior Olympics in the world. Within 8 seconds, he will knock out the player and he won the Junior Olympics. He will do hard work and he will struggle for 5 years. At the age of 18 years, he will qualify for World's Boxing Championship. Within 19 seconds, he will knock out the player and he will become the youngest dynamic player in the world. And do you know who is that? Yes, he is none other than baddest man of the planet, Mike Tyson. By this story, we can understand that how much he has struggled in his life. So, friends, when problem comes, we should never fear. We have to overcome the problem and reach our success. Thank you.
My name is Emram Reddy. I am from Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am saying some interesting facts. Fact number 1. The national animal of Scotland is unicorn. Fact number 2. This is the only planet to spin clockwise. Fact number 3. Your ears never stop growing. Fact number 4. Sound travels in water then in air. Fact number 5. Thank you.